Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we're doing a walk around startup and a drive video for you on, yes, a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car is badged as a Super Sport. I do not have documentation. It might be a clone. If it is a clone, it's done right. 396 engine under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Got the correct wheels on it, got the correct stripes on it, hood pins, got Cooper Cobra Radial GT raised white letters on it, black vinyl top. I think we found John Wick's car, maybe. Interior is very nice. Has a couple little marks on the seat. It's got a mark here. On the other side, it's got a couple little spots on the seat. Jams are nice. Door panels. Bottoms of the doors. Headliner's tight. Package tray's nice. Whole interior is very nice in the car. Is a round gauge car. Got an aftermarket CD player in it. 12-bolt rear end. Sway bar. New gas tank. Dual exhaust. Inside the trunk's very nice. Spare tire. Jack instructions. It's a pretty nice car. I'm gonna price the car at $69,900. I think that's super fair. You can see it's got a couple little specks, a couple little dirt nibs in the paint right here. That could probably be scuffed and buffed if you wanted to. I'm trying to show you the things I see. A couple little, if you look in the light here, you got a couple little solvent pop bubbles here, and it's got a couple little solvent pop bubbles here. I mean, it's a very nice car. I'd say it's probably a 7.5 out of 10 paint. I mean, it's maybe an 8. I'm pretty picky. I just like to show everybody exactly what you're getting. Nice car, 5,931 miles on the dash. I don't know if that's since it was restored or what the situation there is. Dash lights work, signals. Right headlight indicator is not working, I don't think. The clock works. Fuel gauge radio. Power motor. Carburetor, got a new AC compressor on it, stock exhaust manifold, got electric choke, it's not hooked up. You've seen how it started. I had the car sitting in here overnight, it fires right up, bottom side of the hood's real nice. We can wire that electric choke up. Just got this car in over the weekend. Like I say, it's hard to find a 70 Chevelle that you can buy for $69,900. Big block, 4-speed, steering, brake, air. Got a couple little, well, one little bubble down here on the bottom of this door, and a couple little bubbles on the bottom of this fender. All in all, a really nice 70s Chevelle. I just seen some 70s Chevelle selling on auction here in the last few weeks. $80,000, $85,000, $90,000, and no documentation on them either. The one that I seen sell brought like $78,000, and it had a they said it had a numbers matching engine in it, but it was obviously a stamp from somebody else. It was stamped, you know, they had the engine out and they probably re-stamped it. So, you know, this car is what it is. I mean, it's a very nice looking car. Sounds great, runs good. Tach, speedometer, clock, that stuff all works, air works. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Turn around out here in our normal turnaround spot. I'll get out and walk around it for you quick. It's a nice one. Very pretty outside too. The paint's very nice. Got some metallic in it. Chevelle, 12-volt, 396, 4-speed, steering, brakes, air. I don't think they get much better, especially for that price. Holy cow. It's hard for us to even buy them for that. John Wick, here it is, 1970 Chevelle. Green, black vinyl top. The top, this pot right here could use a little bit of glue. There's no bubbling or nothing under there that I can see, but this spot just lifted a little bit, so you might put some glue on that. I don't have time to mess with this stuff. Just showing you everything that I see. Like I say, we'll get that choke wired up and get the horn working. But car. Tach, speedometer, clock, gauges, fuel gauge, temp gauge, voltage gauge, all that stuff works. Air blows cold. Nice 70 Chevelle, green, white stripes. Give us a call. Kinion Classics, 563